See, the GMAC Insurance Company reported the mean score was 76.6. So 76.6 with the standard deviation 2.7. Test scores are approximately bell-shaped. Estimate percentage participants in the test. Okay. Well, first off, we've got to build our distribution. Exactly here in the middle is the mean. So this is 76.6. This next one is the mean plus one standard deviation. I'll just put a 1. Let's try it again. I'm not sure why. Too early in the morning, I think. There you go, mean. So I got 76.6. Then this is your mean plus one standard deviation. I'll just do 1 sigma. So we're going to take our 76.6, this value here, and we're going to add 2.7. And let's see, 79.3. Let me double check that. Yeah, 79.3. Then this next one will be mean plus 2 standard deviations, and we'll add another 2.7 to this. So 2.7 plus this gives us 82. Double check that. 82. And then we got our last one, which is your mean plus 3 standard deviations. So we take the 82 and we're going to add our mean. So 82 plus 2.7 is 84.7. So after you get your mean, then you just keep adding your standard deviation over and over. You add 2.7, add another 2.7, add another 2.7. Now go in this direction, we're going to subtract 2.7. So this is going to be mean minus 1 standard deviation. So I'm going to have 76.6 minus 2.7. I hate decimals. 73.9. Let me add those backwards a second. Okay, that looks right. Then I'll subtract another 2.7. This is your mean minus 2 standard deviations. So I'm taking 73.9, our previous value, and subtracting our standard deviation, which gives us 71.2. And then this next one is your mean minus 3 standard deviations. And again, I'm taking my previous value, 71.2, and I'm subtracting another standard deviation. And 68.5. Let me double check that. I believe that's right. Okay, got that. Now these are a breakdown on our percentages. So these middle two are 34%. So that's 34%. These next two are 13.5s. So that's 13.5. That's, and I won't put percent on there, but they're all percent. Next is 2.35. So 2.35. And then 0.15. Okay, so that's our setup. So then let's look at what they're asking for. This says estimate the percentage of participants in the test who had scores between 68.5 and 84.7. So 68.5 and 84.7. Well, these numbers they give you should be on your bottom here. If they're not on your bottom row, then you did something wrong. And these ones are. And I'll do this one in red. So they're asking from 68.5, and here's 68.5, so that starts right there, and goes to 84.7. So it goes over to right there. So we're going to add all the percentages between these two vertical red bars. So we're going to have 2.35 plus 13.5 plus 34 plus 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35. And 99.7%. what tells me 99.7% is I can't add these that quick. But what I did is I added the 0.15 here and a 0.15 here, which gives me 0.3, and then I subtract that from 100%. So that's where you get that. You could also have added these together. Okay, 73.9 to 79.3. I'll do this in blue. 73.9. Where's that at? That's right here. 73.9. 79.3 is right here. They want to know what percentage fall in that range. So I'm going to add together the percentages in those two bars. So we'll have 34 plus 34, which gives us 68%. C. It says what between what two values will approximately 95% of the scores be. This goes back here. You see how it says 95% fall within 2 standard deviations? So they tell you here. So I'll do this in green. Here's within 2 standard deviations. Here's my mean. I added 2 standard deviations there, and here I subtracted 2 standard deviations. So the values there are between 71.2 to, and I look straight below here, 82. And those would be your answers.